So, for my job profession, I decided to choose a psychiatrist. So, what is a psychiatrist? A psychiatrist is a medical doctor who specializes in the treatment and diagnosis of all different types of mental disorders. This includes maladaptations according to mood, behavior, cognition, and perceptions of how we view things. A psychiatrist also prescribes medication, conducts thorough psychic evaluations, develops treatment plans, and evaluates treatment results. So the different types of psychiatric jobs include child and adolescent psychiatry, forensic psychiatry, geriatric psychiatry, addiction psychiatry. Characteristics of a psychiatrist. So this includes good listening and observation skills, empathy, willingness to spend time educating patient and family about diagnosis, treatment, breadth of knowledge, depth of knowledge, and humility. So the education you need, you must earn a bachelor's degree in either science, psychology, nursing, pre-med, basically anything medical/psychology related. And then you have to attend medical school and then an additional 4 years of residency. And psychiatrists usually spend more time in schooling than most doctors because they're actually prescribing medication. The average income of a psychiatrist in the U.S. is $200K, and then the average income of a psychiatrist in Illinois ranges from $140 to $360K a year, and then the average income of a psychiatrist in residency is only around $100K. For the potential growth, the statistics projects 15.8% of employment growth for a psychiatrist between 2018 and 2028. In that period, an estimated 4,500 jobs should open up. Psychiatrists usually advance by building other practices. Some specialize in fields such as child, educational, or legal psychiatry. Others become teachers, researchers, or administrators in college. Okay, so some fun facts about this. The first psychiatric hospital was built during the medieval Islamic world in the 18th century. Psychiatrists usually own a Toyota more than any other car. Psychiatrists use more than 200 million drug prescriptions. Most psychiatrists live in Connecticut more than any other state. And then the word psychiatrist derives from the two Greek words psych, meaning soul or mind, and iatros, meaning physician. So what the difference between a psychiatrist and a psychologist? So psychiatrists are certified medical doctors while psychologists are not. And then psychiatrists can prescribe medication and psychologists cannot. Psychiatrics focuses on diagnosing illnesses, and then a psychologist focuses on psychotherapy, talk therapy to patients. So the different colleges that I'm thinking of going to, there's SIUE, the cost before aid is $25K, and then Western, and then the cost before aid, including room and board, is also $25K. And then Methodist College, it says $27K, but that's actually supposed to be $17K. And then the two professionals that I researched are Mary Catherine Nolan. She's an adolescent psychiatrist, and I thought that was interesting because I usually don't hear of any child psychiatrist. And then Aneli Kumpala, and she's a psychiatric nurse practitioner. And I also thought that was interesting because it's not just a psychiatrist doctor, it's actually a nurse practitioner. So for my next step, I plan on going into this field because it's always been a hidden passion of mine, and I always thought that I'd become a nurse until I took my very first AP psychology class and naturally scored the highest in my class. And then my next step is to start off early. So this CNA class has helped me get my foot in the door with working with patients at such a young age, and so I intend on going to college next year. For cross country to Sandburg, and then applying for medical school, and then seeing where it takes me. And then my sources, just right here, and then that's pretty much it.